Welcome to week 3. This week you're going to do a professional interview assignment. This will be due on Saturday night after you take a few of these assessments. Now your discussion topic will be on doing some career interest inventories and personality assessments. This will show up in week 3. Now here we have writing papers in APA style and citing references in APA style. You've had some background on this in your early psychology course, Introduction to Psychology, so I expect this is no problem for most of you. The discussion posts, again, there will be 3 this week. Read the PowerPoints on the careers and writing again. Chapters 5 and 7 in Dunn, and 8, 9, and 12 in Helms and Rogers. So your main work this week is writing. You're going to write take your assessments. Make sure that you have your interview assignment completed by and submitted by Saturday night. Thanks.